Meet the pistol shrimp, a small but mighty creature of the ocean. This fascinating crustacean can snap its claws so fast that it creates a cavitation bubble, producing a sound exceeding 210 decibels, louder than a jet engine. This sonic blast stuns prey and can even break glass. Found in coral reefs and shallow waters, these shrimp can reach up to 2 inches in length. Interestingly, the sound produced can be heard over distances of 600 feet, making it a powerful communication tool. Imagine the underwater symphonies. Next time you're near a beach, think about these tiny titans. Comment below if you've ever seen one in action, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.